Good morning, student. How are you? Hope that you are well at the home. Today we are going to learn about force and type of force. This is the chapter of science lesson 10. Look this picture. इन चित्रों को ध्यान से देखो. A man is boating the boat, pressing with the finger. Bullock cart is going. The boy is pulling the ring, kicking the football. Let's think some. Will a boat move ahead unless push the help of an oar? क्या बोट बिना चप्पू के आगे चल सकती है? There is answer no. Who exert force to move a bullock cart forward? गाड़ी को आगे ले जाने के लिए उसे कौन ले जा रहा है? आंसर इज बुलक. What make the ball move during a game of football? How does its direction change? The ball is kicking. The boy is kicking the football and it's going in the high. Will the wheel go forward if it is not pushed with a kick? If this wheel is not kicked by the boy, is it go to the forward? No. Answer is no. So these things what do us teach? When we kick the football coming in our direction toward the goal, we apply force. In day-to-day life, we do many actions such as lifting, pulling, riding and bicycle and stopping. It is at time pushing a load, squeezing or bending something, driving vehicle. It is necessary to apply force of doing all these actions. Force is applied to an object to pull it or push it any manner. No object changes position on its. Force is required to move an object. Force is used to change the direction of an object in motion or stop it. Look this picture. What happens when you hold two ends of spring and pull them apart? If you pull the spring, it go to the spread. If you lift it, it come to the same position. What happens when a blacksmith hammer is red hot piece of iron? This is the blacksmith hitting the iron with hammer. What change of the shape? Their shape will be changed. So here we can say that everything moves with the help of force. What the types of the force? There are different types of force like as a muscular force, mechanical force. Let's know about the muscular force. In all the actions shown in the picture, look the 10.3, 10.4, 10.5. The man is lifting weight. What does he use? He uses his muscular force. Mechanical force, here is the tractor is going ahead, mixer, sewing machine. Mechanical force is used here. For example, sewing machine, electric pump, washing machine, mixer. These are the mechanical force, use electric power in it and they goes ahead. Gravitational force, if you throw the ball in the high of the sky, it down on the earth. Fruit of the tree is down on the earth. This is the gravity force. This come because of the gravity force. गुरुत्वाकर्षण के कारण ऐसा होता है. तो स्टूडेंट read this 2 page of the science very carefully. Find out the which type of force used in this picture. write it and send it on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.